Welcome to our latest tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to make your Pinterest account public. This allows others to find and view your boards and pins more easily. Let's get started. Open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to the Pinterest website on your computer. Log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the top left corner, tap on your profile photo to open your settings. Look for the Profile Visibility option. Click on it. After opening Profile Visibility, the new page will open. Here we have Private Profile option. When your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, piece, boards, followers, and following lists. To make your Pinterest account public, turn off this option by toggling this button here. Also, if you want your profile to be visible to search engines, turn off this option here. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now public. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more digital tips and tricks.